We haven't been able to drink water here for years, well, ever. We've been here 34 years on this road, and we pumped out of the river the entire 34 years. And the power and water line come down and go over these logs down here, and the pump is in a bucket. I drive a 40-mile round trip to a spring, and I get 40 or 50 gallons of water in gallon jugs, and that's how we cook and drink. And then we just take our showers and do laundry with the river. It's been the way it is. I'm getting too old for this stuff. Put the empty back in.
There's approximately 1.5 million people that are living without access to safe drinking water in their homes.
I heard about the Gleason family from the Waterwell Trust, which is our qualifying agent in this project. We jumped on this project right away because not only did we have a distributor partner in the area, but this sounded like a great opportunity for our Watermark initiative as well.
I called Susan quite a bit myself to let her know what our situation was. She was so good, such a nice lady. She sent paperwork, and we filled it out and sent it back, and she approved us. And to hear those words, because we wouldn't have been able to do it. This wouldn't have happened.
The success with this Watermark project is the partnership between the Waterwell Trust as well as our partnership with the Chris Long Foundation.
No matter where you're working, whether it's East Africa or the United States, a quality partner is very important. Xylem has the drillers, the relationships, the products, helping us identify families on a consistent basis, and they do a lot of the hands-on coordination.
We're extremely thankful to our local distributor partner, Mitchell, Lewis Staver, as well as the well driller, McMillan Water Systems. They provided the critical boots on the ground and volunteered their time and service to complete this project.
It's wonderful to have a well, because if something happens to me, Lana will have a well, so she'll be all right.
Gould's is to be commended for not just speaking to philanthropy and community, but also actively engaging and participating. It's a unique position that Gould's has.
We're just thankful for everything. It's been so much. It's way beyond our capabilities.
It wouldn't have happened. It never would have happened.
Never would have happened.